Maloi lele pe maloi tawa usia mai ai aho mahu inga ko eni. Koe aho ni oku mahu inga mawahe ia kia te ki tau tolu. Koe uhi koe aho ni oku whakaawai ai wike Lea Faka-Tonga. O ia te takamata aki ai lotu.
Maloi lele pe maloi e tamau ai aho whakaofo ofa ko eni. Koe himi te tau hira ai, koe tolu hira taha oi himi. Oku iai haki I whanua, oku tui o seni. Na e ikai ke mau o tua, na e masiwa helele. Haleluia, kua monu ia eni.
O kuiai haki whanua.
Misi vahe uluaki, vesi tahiva, ki he uanoa, teo lau.
Se misi vahe uluaki, vesi tahiva, ki he uanoa, seuke, oku maulau, ilo pese o kaima o feina, kake vale atamata fua pene whanomo, kai whakatotoka ki he lea, tea whakatotoka ki he ita, e koe ita e tangata o ki kai tene ngaue, ki e maa oni whakaotua.
Ka taki ke mokuiku ke tau lotu. O tua mafi o kumau whakamalo atu, ho o whaki mai ai ao whakaofo ofa ko eni. O kumau whakamalo atu, he ngahi lele kotoa pe, kuoke whaki mai maa mau tolu. O kumau hanga hake, keke tokoli mai, ki he e mau whenga, whaka ata mai o ku whaini. Keke whaki mai hapoto, moha maama, ki a teki mau tolu. Ke whai aki e mau whenga ako. Tokoni mai ki he e mau mātua a, he whai whatongia me api. Tapuaki mai e mau pule ako, mo e kau whai ako, whaka aho ki mautolu. Pera ke tataki ki mautolu he ahoni. Maulotu he ngahi me ani I a sisu kalaisi koho maufaka mo ui amen.
Amen. Kona tamaki e pani, e tapa wafa, e hoko mano pule, e whai finalo, ane koe rangi, e foki mamani. Whaki mai honi a hanasaki a mai, e a whaka mole mole mau ngahi a mahala, ane koe mau, whaka mole mole, aki nā tolu whape moe mai. Ona I kuki nā tolu kai ahi, whaka tolu me whili, o ai kure, moe nā lohi, moe koloria, o tai mata, pea tai mata, amen.
Koe ke nesha ai eiki koe sisu kalaisi, opoi ai otua, pei moe lau marie maa oni oni, opa ke nofo ia teki mautolu, ona hili pa whaipe tai ngata amen.
Amen.
Maloe lele whana wako ki e pongi pongini.
Maloe lele, never ka whai ako.
Mo whewhe hake ki e pongi pongini.
Sai te malo, whewhe ake koe kompongini.
Sai pe malo. Maloe lele whana wako ki e pongi pongini.
Maloe lele, mai e tamoi ka whai ako.
Mo whewhe hake ki e pongi pongini.
Sai te malo, whewhe ake koe kompongini.
Sai pe malo. Maloe lele whana wako ki e pongi pongini.
Maloe lele, kanisi koe ka whai ako.
Mo whewhe hake ki e pongi pongini.
Sai te malo, whewhe ake koe kompongini.
Sai pe malo.
Malo lele para wako ki e pongi pongini.
Maloe lele, vai o tamoi ka whai ako.
Ahu whewhe hake ki e pongi pongini.
Sai te malo, whewhe ake koe kompongini.
Sai te malo. Whakamalo atu ki he lotu wha ofa ko ta whanau ki ai. Kore atu ke mo mea ki o lunga ki e whae pasi whakonua. E o tua mawhina whiko
Tonga,
Whakawhi atu ai toka ni mata pulelahi tangata kisio ne whakaongo ke ne whakahoko ai lea talitali o Uike. Maloi lelei pia maloi taulawa mai ki e ahu uruaki o Uike Lea Faka-Tonga ai apiako sa toni pākari ke wate tahiwa. O kui kai haloto e tae whiawhia i hoa mau pōpō mai ke kei puke puke a fufula e taulea. O kuo whakawhawhai atu ai kau whai ako moi whanau ako tonga kotoa pē i sa toni pākani a hono tali lelei ki mau tolu ngahi mātua mo ki mau tolu kotoa pē. Whakamalo atu hoa mau meha mai o ku hoko ia koe whakaloto lahi ki a teki mau tolu pēa o ku mau ongohi ai o ku mau mauhihi ke whakakakato ai ngai whatungia o e wike koini. O ku mau ha o whalahi atu ke a teki ho tolu pēa mo e kei whakatawange pē ki e eiki ke ne kei whaki iwi ke a teki ho tolu ke kei hoko pehe atu ai pē ai tau whekau aki. Lewelewa e whakaroa kau tatau atu. Whakawhi atu hengi ai pule ako Musa e Sewa ke ne Lea Faka-Ava ho tau Uike Lea Faka-Tonga.
Māloe lelei. I want you to give a nice clap for those who did our loki this morning. Well, how about a lucky poor mana? I thought she spoke very well. Where's the clap for her? And one for Kisione. Right. The goal for this week for those of the mainstream, the non-Tongans, you have to learn at least about 10 words in Tongan. Or 2 phrases in Tongan this week. Whereas with you in Siaua, you've got to make sure you keep speaking Tongan all this week. For all Tongan students, make sure you are in a tauwala coming to school. And it's not for playing rugby before school starts. There'll be some explanation if you get home and your tauwala is left behind. So make sure it's a week where you get dressed in Tongan. And thank you very much for the effort that you made to get dressed this morning. You look very beautiful, very colourful. We invited some people to come this week, including some people from the ministry, and they were told you're not allowed on you're not allowed on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday or Friday. It's only Wednesday, isn't it? They are only allowed to come on Wednesday. Because we're going to have too many visitors. What do you say in Tongan if you walk too close to people? What do you say? No. What do you Samoan say if you walk too close to people? No. Well, the idea is not to walk too close to them. Okay? And no running through people. When we have manuhiri at our school, you know what to do. The manuhiri always go first. They eat first, and make sure you do that. First, congratulations to those in year 5 to year 8 who did their Tongan speeches last week. You all did very well. And I'm going to listen to some of you straight after playtime, that will also include those who are doing the Manukōrero tomorrow. So, but congratulations to all of you. for getting up to speak. Especially the girls. I didn't see many boys, but I saw a lot of girls, so congratulations on that. Second, thank you for looking after our Chinese students last week. You did very well from the pōwhiri, looking after them right throughout the week, and even our poroporaki on Friday. You all did very well. And those children go to China, you make sure you start thinking about an item. See that little boy that got up and played the guitar in front of everybody? One of you may be asked to do that when you go to China. But thank you for looking after them. Those are from our sister school in China, and they'll be hosting our students that are flying out on Sunday. Hands up those in Chiaua who are going to China. Are there any in Chiaua going to China? Hands right up. Well, don't eat too much this week, hey? Because you don't want to get sick going to China on Sunday. Okay? So, thank you for looking after our Chinese students. Also like to thank those who turn up to take the container for Punsalote. You know, in the future you probably think I helped that school by packing the container. And some of you actually gave up your whole Saturday to do that. Oh, sorry. It was only Sonetande, Petiola, Kisione? What's Kisione here? Kisione, Ilaisane, and Melefanga. So, congratulations, thank you to those students for turning up. As you can see, we got more than we needed for the container. I'll have to think about that. But thank you for that, for taking the container. We'll have to make sure we'll mention your name. We'll present it to Queen Charlotte when we go. Congratulations again. I had a lot of email from Henderson Intermediate, especially with our league team. Matua Mark said, you know what, Mr. Matua, your team could have beaten our team if some of your boys passed the ball. So I'm still looking for that 2 people that didn't pass the ball where we could have won. But never mind, you did very well, and because of that, I think it's the first time we went through undefeated in the rugby league tournament. Give a nice clap for our rugby league team. Also, congratulations on the feed test. Don't forget you got to score 5, and I'm looking, hopefully there won't be a big test for those people going to China. So congratulations. Oh, one of our students actually got picked to be the captain for the Tongan red team, girls red team, but I saw her playing in her tauwala this morning as well. Melissa, where's Melissa? And she was made the captain. Where's the big clap for Melissa? And I was giving her, well, you're going to get it back. She got the most valuable player and being the captain. You never know, in the next few years there'll be a Tonga, you know. Give her a big clap. Putting up nicely. We are unique.
We are unique.
We say caring words.
We say caring words.
We do caring things.
We do caring things.
We care for each other.
We care for each other.
Now, when you say things, when you say something that's very nice, that person may remember it for a very long time. When you say something that's not very nice, it will be with that person for a very long time as well. So that's why in Samoa they say, whatever you say, it's going to last forever. It's last longer than, they say, rocks will wither away and erode, but words that you say to other people will stay forever. E pala le maa ai le pala le tala. So if what you're going to say is nice, make sure you say it. If what you're saying is not nice, what do you think you should do? What do you think you should do? Say sorry? Oh, well, I hope you don't say it in the first place. But it's good to say sorry. We are unique.
We are unique.
We say caring words.
We say caring words.
We do caring things.
We do caring things.
We care for each other.
We care for each other.
And don't forget, those people going to China on Sunday, China is a big place. It's not like going to Nuku'alofa where you're lost today and you're found tomorrow. You go to China and you're lost, we may consider doing you a memorial. So make sure you look out for each other, you care for each other, and have a wonderful week this week.
Ke tau hoko atu lewa ki hono hiwai e Lea Faka-Tonga angi mai si matangi. O ngā aki ai ngā Lea Faka-Tonga ngā maheni.
Good morning. Mala tama pungpongi. Oku ke whewhe hake. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Oko sai te malo. Nā ke hau hake ako. I came by car. How did you come to school? Nā aku lue mai te. Do you have a spare pen for me? Ia o ko ma'u ai peni kako. Thank you. Malo au piko.
polokalama o pongpongini. Whakamalo atu iho mo lava mai ke tau kau whakataha iho no whakaawai o Uike Lea Faka-Tonga. Kau whai ako ko mau maupe pia mo whoki atu ke mo ngahi loki ako. Teachers, when you're ready, you may take your classes. Malo au pito.